Welcome back to our Solve Problem series. We are now at number 4. We have to get the derivative with respect to x of this function. For this problem, kailangan ulit natin mag-exert ng extra effort kasi meron tayong negative exponent tsaka meron tayong nasa radical. Para ma-simplify muna natin siya, let us transform them into their exponential form. 1 over x squared, this is equal to x raised to negative 2, negative exponents, and then this is x raised to 1 over 2. So this is x raised to 1 half using loss of exponent. Now, dahil nandito na siya, we can apply our quotient rule of differentiation. First step, again, we have to let u be our numerator and we let v be our denominator. Ngayong na-set up na natin siya, let us apply the quotient rule of differentiation. Huwag masindak, let us take it step by step, okay? Madali lang naman siya as long as we follow our rule. Ang mangyayari, our low times the derivative of our high, and then minus our high times derivative of our low. Again, low times derivative of high minus high times derivative of our low. And this is all over the square of our denominator. Now, we have to get the derivative of this part and then also this part. Let us continue. To get their derivative, let us apply the basic rules of differentiation. Simula muna tayo kay power rule for this term. What we will be doing is retain si 2x plus 1. For this part, ang gagawin natin, ibababa natin si exponent. Kaya andito si negative 2. Tapos, babawasan natin siya ng isa. So, negative 2 minus 1, kaya siya naging negative 3. And then, for our x raised to 1 half, same process, ibababa natin si exponent. Kaya andito si 1 half. And then, 1 half minus 1, that is equal to negative 1 half. We are good. Dito naman tayo. Ito, mas madali. So, we have to get the derivative of 2x. Ang derivative ni x is just equal to 1. Derivative of a constant is 0. Now, we can simplify this part. We have 2 times 1, this is equal to 2, plus 0, that is equal to 2. For this part, for this line, ang ginalaw muna natin ay etong part na to. Now, we can distribute, we can multiply. Huwag kayong masindak dun sa mga negative exponent tsaka itong mga fractions dito. Let us again do it step by step para hindi tayo malito. First one, we have 2x times negative 2x raised to negative 3. Constant, 2 times negative 2, this is negative 4. Pero itong variable natin, they have the same base. Ang exponent nito ay 1. Since same base, multiplication, i-add lang natin yung exponents nila. 1 plus negative 3, that is negative 2. For this part, we are good. Next, talon tayo dito. 2 times 1 half. Numerator, 2 times 1 is 2 over 2. 2 over 2 is just equal to 1. Kaya eto na lang yung natira. And then, for our variables, this is x raised to 1, again, 1 plus negative 1 half, that is positive 1 half. Good. Ito, 1 na lang pala to. So, medyo madali. We only have to copy the term. So, 1 times negative 2x raised to negative 3, that is still negative 2x raised to negative 3. And then, 1 times 1 half, x raised to negative 1 half, ay 1 half x raised to negative 1 half. Minus, this is just times 2, so this is equal to 2x raised to negative 1 half, and then this is equal to 2x raised to 1 half. Tuloy natin. What can we do here? For this part, sinusubtract natin etong buong term na to. So, we have to change the signs nitong mga nasa loob nitong term na to, nung bracket na to. So, we have to change their sign. So, this will become negative and this also will become negative. Following that, ito yung nangyari. And then we can perform our addition and subtraction. Medyo marami siya. So let's take it one by one. Unahin muna natin dito. So we have, meron ba tayong x raised to negative 3 siya lang? So this is negative 2x raised to negative 3. Tapos kay negative 2 meron tayong dalawa. Ito si negative 4 at si negative 2. So this will become negative 6x raised to negative 1/2. And then, we have our negative 1/2. Isa lang siya. 1/2 x raised to negative 1/2. And then, for positive 1/2, we have x raised to 1/2 minus 2x raised to 1/2. That is negative x raised to 1/2. Now, we covered everything. This is our final answer.